Hello and welcome back to Learn Now Your Learning Partner. In Power BI tutorial, we had learned how to create the card. If you have not watched that video, then click in above link. In today's video, we'll show you how to create different type of cards such as number card, text card, date card in Power BI. A number card is a type of visualization in Power BI that allows you to display a single numeric value in a simple and straightforward way. It's commonly used to show key metrics or KPIs in a dashboard or report, and can be customized to fit a variety of different use cases. To create a number card in Power BI, we will go on the visualization pane and we'll add a card as shown. Next we will drop the total sale, and now on our canvas, we can see the total sale has been displayed, which is our number card. Next is the text card. In Power BI, a text card is a visualization type that allows you to display text information in a dashboard or report. It is essentially a box that can contain any text you want to display, such as titles, subtitles, explanations, instructions, or any other textual information. To create a text card in Power BI, you need to add it to your report or dashboard by selecting the card option from the visualization pane. Then you can add your desired text to the card. In our example, we'll be adding the discount band, and it will display the first alphabetic order option from the discount band column. In our example, it is high, and we can see in our canvas it is displayed high. The last one is the date card. In Power BI, a date card is a visualization type that allows you to display a single date or a date range in a dashboard or report. It is similar to the text card, but specifically designed to display date and time information in a clear and visually appealing way. To create a date card in Power BI, you need to add it to your report or dashboard by selecting the cards option from the visualization pane. Then you can choose the date field you want to display. Now we can see the date has been added to our canvas. Here we had added 3 cards. The first one is the numbered card, the second one is the text card, and the last one is the date card. All the 3 cards are a simple but powerful visualization that can help you add context and clarity to your data insights by providing additional information or explanations. It is particularly useful when you need to communicate specific instructions or details to your audience, or when you want to create a cohesive narrative around your data analysis. I hope you have understood how to create the different types of cards in Power BI and how to use it. In the next video, we will be learning how to use Slicer, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends, and keep learning and growing with us.